Hello, today I've got another user interface trick to show you, this time how to move the entire Access application window using code. And I'm grateful for a Spanish developer called Jesús Mansilla for bringing this code to my attention, and also I'll explain to you why you might find it useful to do. The related article, as always, at isleofdog.co.uk, move app window, and the example app that's provided with all code includes a standard form and a pop-up form, and I'll show you the difference in results with each of those. Let's have a look at the app. The app opens to a startup form, giving you three options to look at the two different sorts of form and also the module code. Let's have a look at the standard form first of all then. And as it says on here, if you want to drag the application window to a new position, you just need to hold down the left mouse button on the Access icon button. So if I do that then, and drag, you will see I can move this across and out of the way. And you'll instantly see how I'm tending to use this, which is to drag the Access window out of the way temporarily in order to look at, for example, the PowerPoint application in one of these videos or some other application that I need to use at the same time. Let's bring this back again and let's have a look at the form code. Now there are just two mouse move events that are involved here. One on a mouse down event, AppWindowSelect, which selects the application window, and one with the mouse move event, which drags it. So first we select the entire application window and then we drag that. And this second one here then, it checks whether you're actually holding down the left mouse button and then uses this AppWindowMove code. I'll show you that in a second. Let's close this form and let's have a look at the pop-up form. And with this, exactly the same code is used, but when we drag this, because the pop-up form is not part of the application window, it stays behind. There may be a use for that, I haven't yet found it, but it's quite a strange effect when you first experience it. So you can drag this wherever you like out of the way. Okay, let's have a look at the module code. As I say, the form code was identical on each of those. Now for this then, most of the credit for this goes to Jesús Mansilla, as mentioned already, and we've got a number of APIs. I'm not going to go through these in detail, but just two different subs that are involved then. The one that selects the application window on the mouse down event, we first of all then get the rectangle that is enclosed by the application window. We get the top of that in terms of coordinates and the left hand position there, and then we select those different coordinates. When we drag the application window by holding the mouse window down, we again get the application window using the same code as above, and then we use this fairly complex API code here. You don't need to understand this in order to use it. You just apply it wherever you want, and I'm sure you'll find other uses for this from the one I've actually shown you here, but that basically is all there is to it. So now coming out of that, and that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you found it useful, please leave a comment, suggest topics for future videos, and please subscribe, and then when I do upload new videos you'll be notified of that happening. Thanks again, I'll see you soon.